Remakeup da aju khamdaya baubing. Ukrul Imphal Ungwasa Khawai Shogarna helicopter service hapok ni hairam. Union Home Ministry na Citizenship Amendment Act rules notify sa hairam. Kashina Purpagaji Maram Yangsang Mirada State Shogarna Duimida Imphal Ukrul Chongfu Ban Sagsa ng Sam hairam. Lake Yangator, achieve the Tangkhul Express with Pau, Rinchipem Marzah in a Bamidalay, Pau being Mesa in an Rumsa. Imphal Aina Ukrul Ungwasa Khawai, helicopter service Hobokaira, Shogarna transportation with Paigarga Quili Kamataya Akasada, Imphal to Ukrul, to Imphal route, Munibur Heli Service G, Ministry of Home Affairs with Scheme Azingli, Quiramira the Aya, CMN Biren Singna launch Samia. Kangaja Chongfu Aina Gazat Imphal Ukrul Bungutum Shika Zangasaji Ara Heli Service with Manga Aina Minute Tumra Shika we Alungli Ungshung Vashung Shapki Gachina Launching Program G Cabinet Hall Chief Minister's Secretariat Li Kwikada Transport Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Kashim Bushum Hill Areas Committee Chairperson Digang Lungangmei Emile Leshio Gaishing Emile Ramwiba Juribam Emile MD Ashap Udin Kakching Emile Mayang Langbam Rameshwar Singh Atum Lamazanga. Ranye Ji Ukrulwag DC Office Li Virtual Conference A Nangaruma. Minister Kashim Bushum na Kahang, CM na Aman Red Mi Kahai Atishurda, Service Ji Mi Avavali Lupa Tinkani Shapanga Kura, Kala Ji Yariwi, Kujot Gajang Yang Milaga Red Community. Flight Ji Haptali Akashi, Saturday Kuptang Zatmira, Kalahi MHA scheme with trial basis Aina, Zat Yangi Gachina. Launch Kasaji Wivang Ukruli, Kangazang Minister MLS, dignitaries Pingli, Ukrul DC Kengo Zirungla, Commander 10 Sector AR Somsai, Brigadier Sandeep Singh, SP Ukrul, Kartik Maladi Kala, Hunpun Aina Humpungwe, Kernau Bingna Somsai Helipad Li, Vangrokuya. Chile Minister Kashim Bushum, MLA Leshio Gaishing, MLA Ramwiva, Airport Director Chipemi Gaishing, Transport Secretary Michael Ajom, Transport Director Nevidida Lyren Lakpam, Transport Joint Secretary David Ilangbam Kala, SD Ritung Anal Atum Kazanga. Service Ji Ngran Kami Wivang, Ukrul Wi Richum Now, Ngatadana CMN Biren Singh, Minister Kashim Bashum, Kala MHA Li Nigashi Pongshok Haira. Airport Director Chipemi Gaishing Nagahang, Flight Operation Li Amandara Kataya, Tower ATF Air Turbine Full, Maintenance Aman, Insurance Ot Kasanao Pingwi, Salary Kala, Logistic Expenditures, Natadada Chokavai Laya. Jithada Sada Flight Operators Pingna, Apam Akali Operate Sagi Kajihi, Yangazaglaga Sai, Kalika Jumna, Takaner Le Haya Aka, Flight Operators na, Operation Ji, Samhai Baya the Hanga. Heli Service Le Haugida, Ukrulwi Mibingna, Matalak Aina, Shijin Kwikavai, Chipemi Gashing na Kasatsanga. Heli Service Mijung Maidana, Shijinda Paumai Aka, en route chi successful Samai Rakala, passenger lot Aina, usages Kaja, route chile Kazat Nawi, Machine La Shigijin, Matada Tekwi Kahai Taran, Rakara Atamli Ministry of Civil Aviation na, RCS UDAN scheme li Sangnibaya. Route G RCS UDN Connectivity Scheme Li Zanghai Tharan, Helipad, Helicopter Stand, La Passenger Amenities, Matamaida Haikamihi Rahaura the Chipemi Gashing Nahanga. Airport Director Jina Hithada Lahanga Gaja, Zingyat Makamata Adamli, Heli Service Flight Cancel Gsala Shopaya. Kangaja Aina Flight Rules Kani, IFR Instrument Flight Rule, Kala, VFR Visual Flight Rule Lalay. IFR Hina Operation Vivang Instrument with Kangajon Zanga, VFR Hina Visual Aid Zanga. Manibur with Helicopter Flight C, VFR Aina Operate Saya, Jiwika Kladva Heli Services G, Zingyat Matada, Visibility Kamata Adam Lizat Kapaina. C Adam La Zingshat, Leji Leghai Taran, Mazat by Mother Cancel Gasale Baya, Kajithalala, Ukrul District with Operation Matankava Yaru Saigorana, Cooperate Salaksa the Chipemina Kasatsanga. Ariri Manipurli MOCA na RCS UDAN scheme wivang Miami Kahai Abam Pangale Abam Bingjia More Jiribam Tangmenglong Tanlon Kala Barbung Hibinghina Yukru Willa MOCA na approve Sakami Masakami hi Yarina Shigijin Hankaka Tungli Laira Ayawi Ranye Jili Ponda Chief Minister la Jiribam Kakjing None Pirzol Kala Kamjongwi District Transport Officers Shomi Haira Manipur Heli Service hi Imphal Churachandpur Imphal to Aizol via Churachandpur Imphal to Leiroching Imphal to Dimapur via Leiroching Imphal to More Hiping Hila Zatalay Manipur Heli Service G 2018 kum Hogupok we Aina 31,163 passengers Gazat Sambang Hairaji Enbiren Singh Nagahang District Headquarters Mangli Maningla Kapung District Abam Gujungali Manipur Heli Service Haimi Kawai Hotnadalay
Arari affair he lucky Malay CM Nature Sauda 2005 Sapai Sadley, come drive basis and Ari Leo with the Hunaga Hata, Akashimang he, messenger we, Yaka, Dongra, Yakam Dom regime Tangalanda, Newton, the regular Mang from Reka, from the department we directly the issue with some money, the money I cover English Hakai the body.
Controversial Salangkahai Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 CAA with notification Chokhaira. CAA implement Sakhavai rules Aya Modi Shorgarna notify Sahira. CAA with Azingli Indian nationality he persecuted non-Muslim migrants Kajal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Kala Afghanistan li Reka Kurek Chipat with Aina, India li Yamkaka, Hindus, Sikhs, Jains, Buddhist, Parsis Kala Christian Naubingli, Indian citizenship Miki Gajina. Hili migrants Gaji December 31st, 2014 Aina Tangda, India li Rajan Haikasa Mipingli Kahangna. CAA hi Model Code of Conduct in Force, Masarang Laka announced Sahara, Kala Code of Conduct hi March Kajang hi wu Aina, Hapopaya Gaji MHA officials na Hangairisai. CAA with regulations ramping higher, process digital aina, Zatki Gajina da Chiwi online portal la, Sim higher the ANI li hanga. CAA hi 2019 kum Kayon Gajang, pass sada President wi, Kamaya la Sampanga, Ka Apam Gada de li Yarina, Makamia protest Panglak aina, Sajite higher. India li anti CAA protest Kasandi, Misha Kalang da Tisanga Haina, 2024 elections Hopok Nanai, CAA Pekar Kukui, Li MP Sanjay Rutna, BJP Shorgarli, Makamya Pungshok Haira. Ram Mandirna, Ot Mung Shum to the Hindus Aina Muslim Aluli, Young Shad Kurami Kavai, Pekar Gater Kukuina the MP Rutna Hanga. Tambagwagwi, CSOs Pingna, Makangi, Kashina Gapur Wivang, Imphal to Yukrul Chongfu, indefinite ban, Sankasaji Kushokhaira. Yukrul Imphal Chongfu Li Gazat Yari La, Yari Ot Pungum Pungva, Sakami with Joint Action Committee, JAC na Gzeglaga, Tex Quipagachili, Makamaya Ngavao the Chongfuji, Achakon Tarik Turuptang, Hapokhaira Kasana. Atumna Gahang, Yukrul Imphal Umba Gasali, All Manipur Poni, Conservation Forum Kala, All Manipur Youth Welfare Federation, Hikata Dampak Chongwi, CSOs ping the donation aming aina, Pangaji the illegal taxes in Shai Hawa. Joint Action Committee Hang the Kalehi, bus, winger, pickup, truck Hikata transport services, the third day the Yukrul district with Zata Kalebina. Maram Hiwang JAC Jina, Shorgarli Kapivada, Katagwi Lungli Yang Sankavai, Pohairasai. Chief Minister Biren Kala, Transport Minister Kashim Bashumna Maramhi Yang Sangmira, illegal taxes collection control Samira Gaji, Duimida, JAC Yukrul District, Transporters na Bansakasa ng Samhaira. Maram Hiwang Aya Gazipamda, Mayakang Rokwiraya, Dui Kami Galaban Kwikushop, Duidak G Minister Kashim Tangkhul Nagalong Vice President, RS Jolisan Kala, Committee Chui, Minganim Ping na Shoy Sangrokta Kapit Aina Kapishoka. India with early childhood care aina Education mathamai khawai Ministry of Women and Child Development na curriculum aina frameworks kathar khuirang khawai ngran haira Ministry jina jingum kuthum aina turubui alungli Kalay Bingwibang National Curriculum for Early Childhood Care and Education kala Parant thar aina thuida jingum kuthum kashung the wibang National Framework for Early Childhood Stimulations the lehaura Hangda kalay jingum wi national pingli Anganwadi na yang sang the Ministry wi curriculum aina framework ji Taithang mai khawai National Institute for Public Cooperation and Child Development NIPCCD na Anganwadi functionaries pingli training mira curriculum kala framework wi azingli rakata pingji portion tracker lila sangmira national bing wi kwing talk develop kasa 85% hi jingum thru mapairang lakha sada nuni lakha aina khalai adam hi tharan mathalak aina yangsang khami dargar kasa ministry na thaikhida early childhood care and education ECCE maling mai khawai kasa na ji hang hai jingum wi national bingli Ministry of Women and Child Development Mission Saksham Anganwadi kala Portion 2.0 kala Mission Shakti wi azingli Palna and Pradhan Mantri Matru Bandana Yojana PMMVY schemes na yangsang mia Ministry jina 13.9 lakh Anganwadi centers shoda jingum turgui azingli khalai national crore t-shirt kadali baziyachi Kaprawi aina jingum kutum kashungda wiwang National Framework for Early Childhood Stimulation 2024 li hi caregivers kala Anganwadi workers pingli kutomi da national bingji pasala kwing tokla raisang khawai mathamai kap kuchi ara aina yangsang ming sakra da hanga framework jina Anganwadi worker pingli national bingwi hakasang regisang maram basic thaithang mai sakra jingum wi athishura shimli kala Anganwadi Center la national high kawai bamli sangkapai activities laimira framework ju azingli sheigishi naw pingli yangsang mi kawai la janga da ministry jina hanga statehood demand gasa Eastern Nagaland shong indefinite shutdown sapo khaira frontier Nagaland kapo ENPO na thanda shutdown gisali Eastern Nagaland wi districts thurukwi kuring khragli hapkhono haira Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO na shutdown ngawau da dukan shungrok leisak ngisam ngrok gari khung khwa khamnaga demand gapo chithai haira ENPO na separate frontier naga territory boda college mon tungsang longleng kipire noklakala shamator da district turukiwi aina administration gathar yakshokki gachina ENPO na tuitak ta ga hai athishura athumui demand settle masarang lakha aina tangda Lok Sabha election swibang athumui bamli political party kipa ka shu le campaign masak masak mara muyo tarik phanga thangla public emergency ngawda athumui demand chi sami khawai ENPO na kothong haira aja hun tarik jishat thangla 12 hours shutdown sahira electoral bond donor detail mi khawai SBI na adam kbo Supreme Court na Bukisang mitura political party pingli migahai electoral bond wi detail achi chimiksho misho khawai SC na kusohaira maram hi aya karot na yangsang da SBI na electoral bond donor details chi achi muyo tarik tra da khni wi adungli Election Commission of India EC li miphlungra da SC na chizmi haira rida adam mi hai gasa manangla SBI na June aina tangda adam mi khawai poksa kha chi karot na mamya thuwa SBI na detail psychology aj business hours makan rang lakha EC li mi phulungra kala EC na information ji compile salaga ashu official website li sangmi phulungra details ji website li achu tarik thra da phanga thangjin pung phanga makan rang lakha publish sa phulungra da SC na kasohaira SBI will plea chi Chief Justice of India Dai Chandrachud Changda Judge Phangana Yang Sangna SBI Nagpoji Mumya Khami Mang Maningla Karod Wikahang Makangana Wivang SBI Widungli SC na notice Shokhaira EC donor details Mikawai SBI li SC na Miyo Tarik Turk Aina Dangda Adam Mihaira Kasana Ara Itumna Gajishat Nganang Rumsa 35 Assam Rifles somsai namukhok mida Ukhrul District Shinau Pingwang Air Hostess Kala Ground Staff Job Interview Skill Training Rungmi Khai Witili Wahong Academy na Sponsorship Training Kathar Ngran Lui Haira Aji wi hila Ukhrul District Shinau Pingli Kutom Kami Sponsorship Program Azingli Wahong Academy na Air Hostess Kala Airlines Ground Staff with Skills Training Mikidalai Training Jili Ukhrul District with Shinau Pingmang na Zangpai Jingum Trada Jishat Aina Mugada Shini with Alumli Kalai Qualification Dio Maitida 10+2 Kup Kahai Nau Ping na Zangpaira Training Ji Imphali Hostel Ainang Soda Rumira Training Adam Ajiwi Tarik Muka Aina Haupokta May Tarik Panga Aina Dangra Meram Hu Kup Maitai Kavai Phone number 6909372 648 WhatsApp 6909372 652 li nghanba paira Dadbida Aju Kamataya Baubing Ukhrul Imphal Ungwasa Khwai Shogarna Helicopter Service Hapok ni Haira Union Home Ministry na Citizenship Amendment Act Rules Notify sa Haira Kashina Purpagaji Maram Yangsang Mirada State Shogarna Duimida Imphal Ukhrul Chongfu Bansagsa Ngsam Haira Aju Pau Hiling Jang Haira Pau Nada Kalay Tum Psycho Rally Ring Pakala Kamahaya Zim Shong Sasarano